Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HCMC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the downtrend on this one continues, so much so that what I'm going to do here is actually just get rid of these lines up here. They've served their purpose for now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. And the way to do that is right now, the new level of resistance to keep a very close eye on is all about that purple line right there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average. And you can see that this morning is right where it kind of made itself known that, okay, it's looking like this is going to be the thorn in the side of the bulls right now. Again, those other red lines, they are still levels of resistance. They still pertain to the chart, but they're not relevant any longer until the price can first prove itself in the near term, and quote-unquote prove itself being defined as getting up above and staying above that purple line. And I emphasize staying above it because right here you can have an example where the price actually broke above the purple line. The problem is the price did not stay above it and back down it went. So it's a two-step process. Yeah, you got to be able to get above it, but then, you know, the much more important area is then the price has got to actually be able to stay above it. So continue to watch that purple line there from the resistance side of things. In terms of areas of support, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this area of support down to the newest key level, which I would consider down there around 0033. And then if 0033 cannot quite hold up, the next key level, which I would definitely call a whole lot more important, is going to be that pink line down there, which on my chart represents the extremely famous 200-period moving average. That's one of those areas where even if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of that 200-period moving average, and you know that from a trend-building perspective, you definitely want to see the price stay above that area. So we'll see what happens with it on Friday. But yeah, right now there's clearly some selling pressure that's shown up, but we'll see if the price can prove itself by getting back above that purple line or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.